It is time now to get the full forecast, but you know, if you look out there right now or walk out there right now, that's pretty much it for the next 2 weeks, right?
Y'all ready? Everybody turn?
Yeah, it's it's so quiet. The only reason I have a problem with it is we were dry through July and August.
Yeah.
And October is one of our rainier months that we start to crank up some of the rainfall. So
Ain't happening.
Not happening.
Isn't it the second rainiest?
It is the second. Good for you, Jason. I'm proud of you. Now,
do I get a little something for that or no? Nothing.
No, you get to listen to the weather forecast.
Oh,
Your key card
why
still
a
works.
punishment?
What a blessing that is. 89, the high today. The normal is 83. The record is 96. We are officially out of the record area where we see triple digits. We have never had a triple digit day at DFW later than yesterday. So you'll see all the records now are less than 100. That record was set back in 1925. Right now it's 87. With northeast winds at 13 miles an hour. Pollen count, that's not so good. Ragweed is high, elm is moderate, and fungus is low. Just a reminder, ragweed does not go away until we get our first freeze. And that's a long time away, so don't just get used to that. Satellite radar, we have the clear skies across North Texas, a little bit of rain down toward the coast. Something we're going to be watching. There's a couple things. Number one is, see how there's just a void of rain through next week, right? Something we really are going to be watching is the Gulf of Mexico and especially the Florida area, because through next week, there's a fairly good chance another storm will form. Will it be a tropical storm? Will it be a hurricane? To be determined. And certainly the intensity of that would be to be determined. But nonetheless, something we'll be watching. I'll show you more on that in a second. Otherwise, the drought, not great here in North Texas. Moderate to severe drought conditions for a good portion of the area. You have extreme drought conditions out toward Wichita Falls, over to Childress, and then in the Big Bend area. The highest level of drought classification, exceptional drought. Temperatures are not going to change much over the next 7 days. Low 90s the next few days, mid to upper 80s after that as a weak cold front moves in and just reinforces the dry air that we have in place. Now, to the tropics. We'll get back to this one in a second. There's an area of thunderstorms right here off the coast of Mexico. That's what we're going to be watching for Florida. Then we have Hurricane Kirk, which is a big hurricane, a Category 4 hurricane there. Tropical Storm Leslie and another disturbance in the far eastern Atlantic. But this one right here has a 50% chance, and I think that number's going up. Just looking at the data, I don't see why it doesn't. 50% chance over the next 7 days of development into Tropical Storm Milton. And again, the intensity we'll see right now, the most likely track, and I feel comfortable in saying that, would be the coast of Florida. And they're still recovering from the really bad storm surge from Hurricane Helene not that long ago. So, you know, areas from the Big Bend down through Tampa, down through Fort Myers, even the Keys. This area here needs to be on alert for the chance of, again, another tropical system making landfall. The most likely time for that to happen would be sometime in the middle of next week. That's going to be a huge focus here in the weather department. Pay attention to that too. Tonight, 67, dry, cool, light winds. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, dry, warm, light winds, 91. Next few days, there it is. It's all a repeat. Exactly. You see, you figured it out. Good for you. I'm proud of you.
Yay.
I was about to say.
Now, there is a little chance of I'm going to say a cool down maybe.
I like that 59 for a low on the 16th.
Yeah, that's the one big saving grace in all of this, I would say. If we're not going to get the rain, at least it's not blazing hot on most of these days. And the mornings have actually been really nice.
But there it is. You see that second week of October looking better, and that's what I have told Dia time and again. That's when you start to feel the fall.
In North Texas, that's the beginning of fall, and we don't really get a real taste until November.
Thank you for validating me, Jesse.
If you could see this man's face with the, okay. Thank you, Jesse. You're the best.
You're the best, Dia.